Hi, it's Fikri here of MrMaths Academy. This is a series of 5-part video explaining how to solve problems related to expanding brackets. In the description section below, there is a link containing a document with 50 questions related to expanding brackets. So if you haven't got that document, please head on to that section, find the link and download it. Only proceed playing this video once you have attempted answering those questions. So what are you waiting for? I hope you enjoy it and make the most out of this video. Happy learning. Expand -4, 7x minus 8. Minus 4, 7x minus 8. And I want to enclose the minus number inside a bracket. And again, minus 8 inside another bracket. And now we will multiply each of the terms in the bracket with the term outside of it. So this is equal to minus 4 times 7x plus minus 4 times minus 8. Minus 4 times 7, that is equals to minus 28 x. And then we have two minus numbers multiplied together, which results in a positive number. So 8 times 4 is 32 plus 32, and that's the final answer. Next question. Minus 5 to be multiplied by 3x plus 14. So I enclose minus 5 inside its own bracket and multiply that by 3x plus 14. Okay, now I multiply each term in the bracket by the number minus 5 outside of the bracket. So that equals minus 5 and 3x plus minus 5 and 14. Minus 5 and 3, one minus number and one positive number multiplied together becomes minus 15x. And we have another minus number times a positive number, so the result is minus, minus, okay, 14 times 5 is, let's say, should be minus 70. Right, and because 14 times 10 is 140, divided by 2 is 70, so that should be right. So that equals minus 15x, and we have plus and minus meeting together, so the answer is minus 70. So this is the final answer. Next we have minus 10 times minus 4x plus 1. Enclosing minus 10 inside its own bracket, and then minus 4 inside another bracket, plus 1. And then we multiply minus 10 by minus 4, minus 10, minus 4x plus minus 10 times 1. Okay, minus 10 and minus 4 multiplied together becomes positive. And 10 times 4 is 40, so 40x. And this time we have minus 10 times minus 1, that becomes minus 10. And we have plus and minus meeting together, it becomes minus. So 40x minus 10. Now we have a 3-term expression inside a bracket here to be multiplied by 4. So 4 times 5x plus 5y minus 15. The concept is the same, just that you have more terms than the previous questions. So now we are going to multiply each of the term inside the bracket by 4. Okay, like that. But this is minus 15, so we'll include that in a separate bracket. Well, let me just put that, let me just include minus 15 inside bracket first, yeah? So 5x plus 5y, these are all positive numbers, so I won't bother. And plus, okay, minus 15 to be separated to make my life easier. So now we can multiply 4 by each of the terms inside the bracket. So now 4 times 5x plus 4 times 5y plus 4 times minus 15. So 4 times 5 is 20x plus 20y plus minus 60, I guess. Okay, 15 times 4 is, okay, 15 times 2 is 30, 30 times 2 is 60, so that is correct. And we have minus and plus meeting together here, so the final answer is 20x plus 20y minus 60. Move on to the next question. Again, we have a 3-term expression inside the bracket. So 3x minus 3y plus 10. We have a coefficient of y here as minus 3 as a coefficient of y, so I'm going to include that inside its own bracket. So 3x plus, yeah? And I'm going to put minus 3 here. Plus 10. So that is 5 times 3x plus 5 times minus 3y plus 5 times 10. So 5 times 3 is 15x and plus 5 times minus 3, that is minus 15y plus 5 times 10, which is 50. Now we have minus meeting plus, so that becomes minus. So 15x minus 15y plus 50. Next question. Minus 2 times 5x plus 10y minus 7. We still have negative terms there, so I'm going to include that in bracket. Okay, plus minus 7. So that is minus 2 times 5x and minus 2 times 10y plus minus 2 times minus 7. Oh, we don't need the last bracket there. Redundant. So minus 2 times 5 is, well, minus number multiplied by a positive number, that becomes minus 10x. Right. Plus minus 2 and 10, that is minus 20y. Plus, okay, minus 2 and minus 7 multiplied together becomes a positive number, 14. I'm going to open this bracket because plus is meeting a minus, so it becomes a minus. So that becomes minus 20y plus 14. Next question. Okay, now we are back with 2-term expression inside the bracket, but now the term outside of the bracket contains x. Okay, the method is similar. Okay, we're going to multiply all of the terms inside the bracket by the terms outside of it. So that is 2x times 7x plus 2x times 9. What is 2x times 7x? Okay, I'm going to take it to the side here. Let me put it in yellow, yeah. 2x times 7x. What is the answer? Okay, we can, to do this, let's try to multiply the like terms, yeah. That means we're going to multiply 2 and 7. And then multiply x by another x. So 2 times 7 is 14. And x times x. Okay, x times x is x squared. Okay, so that is part of the answer. 2x times 7x, that is 14x squared. Plus, okay, 2x times 9, so that is 18x. And this is the answer. So now we have 2x again, with x component, x term outside the bracket, multiplied by 7x plus 24. So that is 2x times 7x plus 2x times 24. Again, like previous question, so this is 14x squared plus 2 times 24, which is 48x. So that's the answer. Okay, 2x times 7x minus 5. I'm going to enclose minus 5 inside its own bracket. So that is 7x plus minus 5. So that is, again, 2x times 7x, plus 2x times minus 5. So that is 14x squared plus a minus 10x, because we have a positive expression to be multiplied by a negative number, so the answer is minus number. So now we have plus meeting with minus, so that gives us 14x squared minus 10x. Question number 20. The term outside of it is minus now, minus 3x. 2x minus 13. So I'm going to enclose all the negative number, a negative expression. So that is minus 3x. 2x plus minus 13. So that is minus 3x multiplied by 2x plus minus 3x times minus 13. Okay, minus 3 and 2, that is minus 6. And x, x times x is x squared, as explained earlier. Plus, 2 minus terms, that becomes positive. And 3 times 13 is 39, so that is 39x. There you go.